Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today I'm in California at my daughter's house and we're celebrating her daughter's 3rd birthday. My daughter asked me if I could assemble one of her presents. It's a tiny land all-in-one easel. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take this whiteboard and attach it to this orange holder here. And that is going to take us right through here. We've got one of the screws here. They're just the screws, they got a hex head on there, and they give you the tool. So we're going to take that tool, we're going to tighten up on this a little bit. And then we're not going to go too tight because I'm not sure exactly how that's supposed to swivel, but I'm sure it's going to swivel a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And they divide you with the nuts to go where it's supposed to go. So we're going to put that right there. We've got the nut embedded in the bottom stand, which is the orange stand. And now we've got that piece done. We're going to do the exact same thing, except we're going to put the blackboard on. Okay, so we'll flip this around, just like that. And now we've got the blackboard there. What we're going to do is we're going to flip this over just like we did the other one. And we'll get this board in the same way. Again, they give you a nut embedded into the wood of the bottom board here. I'm going to flip this over and do the same thing on this side. And that'll take care of our 4 nuts that we need. And there we go. So now, again, we've left them a little bit loose so we can put the other parts together here. Our next step is we're going to install the hinges here. And there's a left side and a right side. Right now, this is the right side, and you'll be able to tell because the holes are lined up on these 2 boards. And these are not with a nut on the other side. These are going to go right into the wood. So we line that up. Again, I'm leaving it a little bit loose. And we got 3 more of these. These would be I'll call them wood screws. And we got the same thing. 2 holes on this side and 1 hole on the back. Alright, so we got both of those, we'll call those hinges. Next, they give you these 2 different scrolls of paper. And this is kind of a small little thin one, and then this one is an extra one, so when you run out. But we'll put the small one, it could go either way, but we'll put the small one in first. And to do that, we're going to have to put our stick in first, okay? So, got that. And then right back here is a little bit of a groove, and that's what we're going to slide this in. And then that paper can be pulled down for a drawing on this side. You can draw on the whiteboard or the paper. And now we're going to tighten these. So we've got the art part of this setup. We've got the blackboard there and of course the whiteboard here. Now we're going to tip this on its side and we're going to attach these adjustable legs here. And there's 4 of them. 1 for each side here, and what they've given us are these screws here, little easel now, and they are numbered 1, 2, and 3. So this, we'll put it at the number 2 position right here is where the 2 is going to be, right there. So we'll put that on there, and we'll scoop this up to the number 2. And number 2, push it. And same thing here. And do the same thing on the other side. And so that's number 2 also. And same thing on this one. So these are adjustable all the way from there to there. We're putting it right in the middle for now. Okay, so we got all our legs on here and they're a little bit tight. And there we go. And you can see you got the adjustment 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're at the 2 setting right now, but you can adjust this higher or lower depending on the height of the child. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So both sides. Next, we're going to put our little cans in here, and I believe those are for paint, but I'm not really sure. So that's what they've got, little holes in them there. And now we're going to another step here. So we're almost done. So now we have these paper locking strips down here, and they're going to go in these two. And the paper, when their child is using it, will go through here and then through the bottom. And we've got 2 of these, one at the top and one at the bottom. And we got the same thing at the bottom here. I'm going to put this one. Okay, so we've got these installed. Now we want to feed the paper through there. It's fairly easy. Once you get it where you want it, you tighten this down. But you can use crayons or anything else that the little artist is suited to do. Tighten that down. So it's nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere like that. Well, I think my granddaughter will like this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.